Hey you guys, so in this video I am going to be showing you a tour of our room at the Harrah's Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button and hit that share button. So this is the main entrance. When you first pull up on the outside, this is what you will see. This is how you will be greeted. If you're doing valet, you will be pulled up right here in the front. If you do Uber, you'll get dropped off in the Uber drop-off area, which is just right at the end of the street. Well, here is our room, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that button to be notified each and every time we upload a video. Happy travels.